we do a little air museum, and I'm going to try to explain to you the functions of this engine. This is an R-3350 engine. The R stands for reciprocating. The 3350 indicates the cubic inches of displacement, and one of the propellers that this drove was the one we previously saw was on the B-29 and is listed here as one of the many aircraft that this engine was used on. The whole entire purpose of this engine is to turn this propeller shaft, and the propeller therefore move the airplane. And in order to accomplish that, you need both fuel, air, ignition, and combustion. And the process starts at the rear. The air is drawn in through the carburetor, and fuel is mixed with it at this point, and it is brought down to a turbo supercharger, which raises the pressure and the volume of air and fuel that is delivered to the combustion chamber. It runs through the internal passage up to the cylinder. At this point, it's forced into the cylinder, and at the very top of the stroke, the ignition is added through the spark plugs. It is ignited, and the piston is pushed down. As it pushes down, it works against this crankshaft and main connecting rod. There are 18 pistons in this engine, and each of them have 9 cylinders in each row. They're timed by this camshaft back here, or here, and the distributor on the far side distributes the spark. The engine itself actually turns at 3 times the speed of the propeller, and this section is a reduction gear that reduces the speed of the propeller so that it does not become supersonic in its turning.